Okay, today we're going to be playing with the Nokia N900 a little bit. It's been a while since I've done tutorials on it, but it's basically a computer that has phone features that can fit in your pocket. I know I've said that in the past. Today I am currently, as you can see on my terminal screen here, I am SSH'd, so I'm logged into my phone from my computer just to make it easier for me to record what's going on, although all this can be done right on the phone as well, although really you'd want to throw it all into a script. But I'm going to show you how from the command line you can make a phone call, and you can also put on the loudspeaker, speakerphone, turn off the speakerphone, and hang up on a phone call. So those are going to be the 4 things we go over today. All 4 are pretty long commands. Look at the link in the description. In the link in the description, I will have all the commands typed out so that you can easily copy and paste them, put them into scripts, or just examine them a little bit closer. So first things first, I've already run each command, so I'm just going to scroll up here. This here is the command to make a phone call. Each command is pretty much going to use the dbus send, basically a program that controls the phone features in this case. We got -- system, -- type method call. We're making a phone call. Go ahead and print the reply. Destination, this is going to basically where it's routing the phone number through on the phone. I'm not, then we got /com, /Nokia, /CSD, /call. Then we got com.nokia.csd.call.create with, and then we have a string, the phone number we're going to call, and then unit 32:0. I'm not going to say that I understand all of this, but that is the command. The only part you really need to be concerned with here is the phone number you're calling. Currently I have the old Google 411 number in there. This is a number that's been disconnected, but when you call it now, you get a little recording of a guy going doo doo doo. The number you have dialed is not in service at this time. Doo doo doo. So it's a good test number. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on my screen here on the phone, and I'm going to hit enter, and you'll see it opens up my phone dialer and starts dialing that number. If I hit speakerphone,
the number you have dialed is not in service. Please check the number and dial again. The number you have dialed.
And I will end that phone call. Now you also notice that when you run that command using dbus send, it basically throws it in the background so you can continue typing commands, which is great. Because our next command is going to be the command to put it on speakerphone. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to this one right here. So basically this is changing. I mean, you can look at it. Once again, it will be in the link in the description. The main part in here that we're concerned with is this last part, the true part. It's got to be all lowercase, and that will put it on speakerphone. If you change that to false, all lowercase, it turns off speakerphone. So let's go ahead, dial the phone number we just dialed, and turn on speakerphone, and then turn it off. Turn my screen back on here. Dial this phone number. You can see it open up on the phone there. I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to hit enter, and you can see speakerphone is on. Change that to false. Spell it right. Speakerphone is off. Speakerphone on. Speakerphone off. And then we got disconnected because the 411 number disconnects you after repeating the message twice. So we've made a phone call, we've turned on speakerphone, we've turned off speakerphone. Well, now we can also disconnect a call if we are connected. So let me quickly make sure I have that command in here somewhere. Release call. Okay, so this here is the command to release a call. Currently we didn't have a call going, so let me make sure the screen is on here so you can see. We will make a call. We will turn on speakerphone, and then we will run the command to disconnect. And there you go. So those are 4 new commands you can play with. You can use them in scripts. These commands are also usable in Python scripts. Obviously, you can just call the system commands, but there is a dbus module to work with this stuff directly in Python. And we're going to be playing with a lot of that sort of stuff today. keep an eye out for the rest of the tutorials this weekend. I'm going to be doing a bunch of phone tutorials, lots of fun, freaking style stuff, reminding you of the good old days of pager bombs and sitting out in the field next to a phone box making phone calls. Not that I ever did that back when I was a kid, but fun stuff, bringing back some old memories, very useful if you have a powerful phone like the Nokia N900 that you can program in any language that you already program in on your Linux desktop. And once again, please visit filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. I thank you for watching, and once again, also don't forget to check the links in the description. Have a great day.